Hello my fellow mathematician, welcome to this standard tutorial whereby I want to see how can you integrate the hyperbolic cot of x. So to do that, we are going to use this fact that hyperbolic cot of x is the same as hyperbolic cos of x divided by hyperbolic sine of x. So we are going to substitute the hyperbolic cot of x with the hyperbolic cos of x divided by hyperbolic sine of x. Then we integrate all this. To do that, we are going to use integration by u substitution. So you will let our u to be equal to the denominator. This is 8 hyperbolic sine of x. Our u to be equal to the denominator, which is equal to hyperbolic sine of x. Then we differentiate. When you differentiate the hyperbolic sine of x, it will give you a hyperbolic cos of x dx. Then from there, we are going to substitute. With our substitute, you can see clearly that the numerator, which is hyperbolic cos of x dx, is du. So we substitute that to obtain integral of du. The numerator is du divided by u, which when you integrate that, it will give you a natural logarithm of u plus c. When you substitute the constant, this will give you natural logarithm of, we are let our u to be hyperbolic of sine of x plus c, meaning that when you integrate hyperbolic cos of x with respect to dx, the result will give you natural logarithm of hyperbolic sine of x plus constant c. So to do the integration, all what is needed here is very simple. It is to remember the fact that hyperbolic of cot of x, this is t here, sorry, hyperbolic cot of x is hyperbolic cot of x is given by hyperbolic cos of x divided by hyperbolic sine of x. Then instead of hyperbolic cot of x, you write it in the form of hyperbolic cos of x divided by hyperbolic sine of x. And you let your denominator to be equal to hyperbolic sine of x. Then you differentiate hyperbolic sine of x differentiate, and you will give you hyperbolic cos of x dx. Then you substitute, your numerator is hyperbolic cos of x dx. You substitute there to give you du, and the denominator, when you substitute, it will give you it is going to give you u. When you integrate 1 over u with respect to du, it will give you natural logarithm of u, meaning that now the integral of hyperbolic cot of x is natural logarithm of hyperbolic sine of x. So that is how we can integrate hyperbolic cot of x using u substitution. For other video tutorial on how to integrate hyperbolic function, you can check in the link below, or you can check it in my YouTube channel, and you are going to get all those other areas on how to integrate hyperbolic function in your easy, simple method to follow and understand. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember to like, to subscribe, and also to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video which I upload every day for us.